Shush. Did you say good morning to baby Celine before?
Good morning.
Hey, shush. Can you see your face? Hello, everyone. Good morning. I am Celine Ray. My name is Celine Ray. My name is Celine Ray. Good morning, people. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday from baby Celine. I just picked her up. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh, because it's time for Didi. Paris, Nicole? Yeah. Okay. The baby Celine is saying hi now. Hindi ko muna ipapakita ang aking mukha, guys, ha? Kasi alam nyo, walang tulog si mami nyo ba? Walang tulog si mami nyo. So, mukha natin parang ano. Baby, here. Ate Paris is also awake now. Say, good morning. Come here, Ate. Say, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Welcome.
Back to Atina.
Ayan. So, ano yan siya, mga 30 minutes na yan siyang gising. And then, ito siya. Pagising, patulog, pagising, patulog. Give baby Celine a kiss. Ano? Shush. Did you say good morning to baby Celine before?
Good morning.
Hey, shush. Good morning. Good morning from Ate Paris.
Hi.
Kaiyak-iyak. Ang kanyang nanay ay walang tulog. Kagabi, nag-ano siya, mga, anong oras yun, mga 1 o'clock nagising siya, guys. Sinayaw-sayaw ko siya sa bed. Careful, you don't fall, anak. Tapos, nilabas ko siya. Diba yung tatay niya dito natutulog? Ayan, nilabas ko siya dito. So, nag-move yung tatay niya doon sa kwarto. Kami na lang dito. And then, pinatulog ko siya sa, sa bassinet niya. Every 3 hours, nagigising siya. And nagising na ang kanyang patay. Mga 4 o'clock, pinadede, and then another 1 kanina, 7 o'clock. Ngayon siya ay nagpapakarga kay Dede na naman, ha? Ha? Dede na naman? So, yung ginawa ko kanina, ano na lang, kasi dito ko siya pinatulog sa bassinet. Hindi talaga ako makatulog kapag nasa bassinet siya, guys. I really wanted to have a snooze dito sa couch dyan. Pero wala talaga. Yung ginawa ko, naglinis na lang ako. Naglaba, nagsampay. Tingnan nyo, may sinampay na dyan, oh. Tapos naglaba. Yun lang ginawa ko. So, all night, wala akong tulog. Yes, honey. May bata kong naiyak na, kahit may chupon, oh. Yes, Baba. Can you see? Okay. Ginawan ko lang ng breakfast ang ating baby girl. Oh. Yes, sweetie. You're welcome. Oh, do you want to put it here? I'll put it here, huh? Yummy. Eat na daw yun. Are you good, girl?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
You finish your breakfast na daw yan. Oh, you want Carrie? Huh? Huh? Ay, Didi naman din, ha? Didi ka? Yeah, okay. We'll have na milk. We have na milk. Filipino gede ka, nak. Filipino gede ka.
So silly, right?
You're so silly.
I was your face.
Wash your face. Show me how you wash your face.
Yeah.
Show Tita dito how you wash your face. Come on. So Daddy has got baby Celine habang nagme-meeting siya, guys. So, we're gonna get Ate Paris ready. Come on, anak, wash your face quick.
No.
Come on. Sige na. Hala. No, they're watching you. I'm saying no. So, we've got her clothes and her bag and that. Okay, show me how you do it. I show Tita and Tita. Say, hi guys, this is how you wash your face.
This is how you wash your face.
Come on na. Baby Celine is sleeping in ko on daddy's arm habang nag-meeting. Si mami nyo ay hindi pa rin handa, guys. So, wala muna, kamay muna. Hello, everyone. Okay, let's get ready.
Wow.
A few moments later.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Sa wakas, nakapaghilamos na rin si mami nyo. Nasuklay ko ang aking hair. Pero I think itatay ko na lang siguro, guys, kasi hindi ko siya na-plansya or anything. Tingnan nyo, sobrang buhaghag. Ayan. Paghilamos na ako, pero hindi pa ako naglagay ng kahit cream man lang sa mukha. So at the moment, ito yung ginagamit ko na serum sa aking face. I bought this from eBay. Snail. White Aura Plus Snail Double. Ayan. So, yan yung ginagamit ko ngayon. Ayan. Iyak man ang ating baby girl. Ito kasi yung target ko, guys. Oh. Ito yung aking, tawag ito, yung melasma ko ba? Diyan. So, I'm hoping na mag-lighten siya ng konti. So, it's been a while na nagsuot ako ng makeup. So, yung gamit ko talaga sa aking face ay pag after kong i-toner, yung serum. Mas maganda yung serum na yan, guys, kasi hindi siya malagkit. Tapos, after serum, yung after ng serum, guys, ito. Snail Glotted Day Cream. Ayan. Bago ko lang pala ito ginamit, guys. Mga lang. Less than a week. Kasi bago lang din siya dumating. And so far, I think I'm liking it. Parang hindi siya white ha, pero nagla-lighten ba yung mukha. Hindi ko alam, guys, kung nakikita niyo ako ng mabuti or nagpo-focus ha. Kasi wala akong para. Ay, bilisan natin. That's it. Ayan, oh. So, nagla-lighten talaga yung face, guys. Especially yung dito ko. Nandyan pa rin siya, pero hindi siya, madilim tingnan. Anyways, let's go. Bilis-bilis na, no? Before, nung dalaga pa ako, ilang oras. So, ayan lang, Ate Paris, nabihisan na natin. So, dalhin natin yung school. Say hi, honey. Hi. Tapos yung mga labahin. We're planning na i-drop si Daddy Mike doon sa laundry para malabhan niya. Anak ko! Ay, shush! Crying man na ang baby! Ants go marching one by one, hurrah! Hurrah! The ants go marching one by one, hurrah! Can you see your face? Hello everyone! Good morning! I am Celine Ray. My name is Celine Ray. My name is Celine Ray. Is that your face? Can you see your face? Can you see your face? Tattoo, tattoo. Da-dan, 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 da-dan. Guys, alam niyo guys, masasabi ko talaga na this baby, si baby Celine ay bigger than Ate Paris. Kasi, itong suot niya na to, ito siya. Oh, itong damit na to. So, yung nakalagay talaga is for 6 to 12 months. And it fits her, like, medyo pa rin, meron pa namang space talaga, pero she's not drowning in it. You know what I mean? Oh, so kasya sa kanya, guys. And to think that she's only 5 weeks old. You're 5 weeks old. 5 weeks old. Are you 5 weeks old? Huh? Baby? Baby! Maalis ka marching one by one. Hara. Hara. Hindi ko pa nasuklay ang aking buhok. Tingnan nyo, oh. Sobrang haba na ng aking buhok ba? Pero ayokong paputulan, guys. Sayang man, good. So, itali-tali ko na lang habang baby pa to si baby Celine. Na? No? Si sayang, ang tagal kasi humaba ng aking hair, guys. So, ang ating Daddy Mike ay nag-ready na rin, naliligo. And then, we're gonna go real soon. Kasi late na ang ating Ate Paris. Uy. No? Late na si Ate Paris, no? Tidam, had I prayed for. Where's your socks? Put the socks on so we can go. Ayan, oh, umiiyak kapag nilalagay sa bassinet. Pero pag kinakarga, no problem, mami. No problem, mami. Palangga sa mama. Salig ka kay palangga ka? Salig ka kay palangga ka? Ate Paris will show me how to put her jacket on. Wait, tanaw ta? Pataka. Not do it properly, Nak. Oh, your hair is everywhere again, Nak. No, do it properly. Show mommy. Pakitang gilas, be.
Yeah.
No, it's the other way, Nak. See, how are you gonna do it? See? You have to use the other one. Come on, you're a big girl already. You should know how to do this. No? The other one. There, yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Long palis yan.
I don't know what to do.
Yes, you do?
No. I can't.
Pas na ba? Yeah, that's right. See? You can do it. The other one then. The other one here is
I don't know what to do.
Didi. Okay, Mama will help you. Come on.
A few moments later.
Surprise. Jesus, you're a lucky girl.
You be a good girl. You eat your lunch and you drink your water, okay?
Yeah.
Good
Like,
girl.
ula.
Just wrapping.
Happy nights.
Paris, let's go. Sobrang ganda ng araw today, guys. Oh. Give mommy a kiss and hug hearts. Love you.
Love you.
How's your princess bag?
Say, see you later, tita and tito.
See you later, Tita and Tito.
See you, big girl. See you tonight. Enjoy with your friends. Tayo, it's now 11:40 in the morning. Tingnan nyo ang ating rosary dyan. Wala kasing ibang paglagyan ng ating camera, so hayaan nyo na. Bless ni God ang ating vlog. So, kaka-drop lang namin kay Ate Paris sa school. And we came to the cafe again where we normally go. So, bibili si Daddy Mike ng this time, hindi siya hot chocolate because you can see it is sunny and sobrang ganda ng panahon, guys. Kahit wala akong tulog kagabi, sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike before na yung weather talaga is a big factor sa nararamdaman mo. Kasi even though I'm feeling tired, no sleep since last night, but because the weather is nice, parang gising na gising pa rin yung dugo ko, buhay na buhay pa rin yung feeling ko. So, yeah, I'm very happy about that kasi naglaba din ako kanina, 'di ba? Alam ko kasi na magiging sunny today kaya naglaba ako. 4 o'clock ako naglaba, guys. Grabe. And yeah, so nasampay ko na sila sa labas kanina. And yeah, they'll be dry and it will be really really good kasi nakulangan na yung labahin natin. And yeah, so talking about the weather, kaya nga sabi ni Daddy Mike kanina na that's why maganda daw talaga na mag-move kami sa sa Brisbane or Gold Coast kasi it's always, well, not always kasi umuulan din naman, but most of the time. Thank you, Daddy.
I'll get you a cake and stuff like that.
Okay. Dito natin delivery. Ito kay Daddy and this is mine. Hot drinks pa rin kay Daddy, guys, kahit na maganda yung panahon sa akin. Minsan lang eh. So, back to the chika. Umuulan din naman sa Brisbane, of course. But, most of the time, it's sunny. Ganito. So, perfect talaga. And we love warm weather. Kaya, yeah. So, di ba nga, dapat sana mag-move kami ngayong November. Ganun. Yan yung plano na aalis kami ng Melbourne papuntang Brisbane. And yeah, unfortunately, lockdown at close yung borders, so hindi pa namin alam kung ano yung mangyayari ngayon. So steady lang muna kami, wala pa munang plano. But yeah, that was the original plan na mga November aalis na kami. October sana, end of October, magre-resign si Daddy Mike sa kanyang work. And yeah, hindi nangyari. So, we don't know as yet kung ano yung susunod nating step from here. But, yeah, because of the COVID, guys, mahirap magplano kasi paiba-iba. Lockdown ngayon, magbalik na naman, tapos lockdown na naman. Alam mo yun? Since last week yata or this week? No, start this week. Nabago na yung work ni Daddy Mike. Ay, hindi pala, hindi nagbago, but yung times ng kanyang work. So, normally, yung work niya is from 8 till 5, ganun. Minsan, nag-overtime pa hanggang 6 o'clock kasi sobrang busy. But, last week, kinausap ni Daddy Mike yung kanyang boss. Nagtanong siya if it's possible na i-change yung kanyang working hours. So, from 8 to 5, sabi niya, is it possible if I work during the night? Kasi, sabi niya, yun yung reason niya, guys. Last week, diba, I mentioned na it's been a challenging week kasi Celine has been crying, no sleep, so I was, yeah, crying as well. I was crying as well. But no, isang umaga noon, last week or the week before, Daddy Mike saw me, guys. Like, I was looking tired and I was actually crying na to the point na umiyak talaga ako kasi hindi umiyak na humagulhol talaga, no, but because you know, I'm feeling so tired now, naging emotional ako, tumulo talaga yung luha ko, guys. And then from that moment, kinausap ni Daddy Mike yung kanyang boss kasi sabi niya sa boss niya, you know, I've seen Jovey and she looks like she is ready to walk out. Alam niyo yun kasi parang na-overwhelmed na si mami niyo. And then yeah, Daddy Mike is very considerate sa feelings ko, guys. Kaya yun yung sabi niya sa boss niya na yeah, is it possible to change it to nighttime? And na intindihan naman ng boss niya, guys. So nag-usap sila. Now he works from 3 o'clock ng hapon hanggang midnight, ganun na lang. Tapos may mag-break siya kapag dinner na kasi magluluto, kakain, ganun. Kasi sabi niya pag daytime, at least natutulungan niya ako kay Paris tsaka kay baby Celine. Sobrang ano talaga kasi yan si Daddy Mike, guys. Kapag pagdating sa work, super tutok na tutok yan siya sa work niya. Very hardworking si Daddy Mike. Kaya kapag nag-work siya, nakaupo na siya sa harapan ng kanyang computer, like straight na yung ano niya. So, minsan, naaawa siya kay Paris kasi Paris needs attention. And ako din, kailangan ko ng tulong sa bahay, ganito, ganyan. So, yun yung nangyari, guys. Luckily, okay yung manager niya. And pinayagan siya na ganun yung ano ng trabaho niya. So, panggabi na siya ngayon. So, natapos siya ng hi Daddy.
Hello.
Tapos siya ng midnight, tapos natulog siya. Tapos, sa umaga, gising siya mga ganun, 9, ganyan, or 8, 9. Yeah, I just told him about you working at night now. Of course, we are parents. We work 25/8.
I got a riddle.
But we're talking about work. You're inserting your riddle. They won't be able to answer, Bob.
They will. The Filipinos, they're intelligent.
No, I mean like, there's no instant answer.
There is. You can write it in the comments.
Okay, go ahead.
Huh?
Alright, listen to his riddle, guys, and put your answer in the comment section below. Kasi hindi siya makatulog kapag hindi niya masabi yung riddle niya.
Alright, there is 30 cows in the field. 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Can you say it again?
Yeah. There's 30 cows in the field. 28 chickens. How many didn't? Wait, let's say it one more time. There's 30 cows in the field, 28 chickens. How many didn't?
There you go.
The answer, whoever gets the correct answer gets a...
Shout out.
No, not a shout out. What's the... boost up charge? A charge. A mobile phone charge. What's it called?
Load.
Whoever answers the question gets a load, free, courtesy of Jovey.
What do you mean? It's your riddle.
Because you're the one with the money. You're the one with the money. I'm the worker. You're the entrepreneur.
Okay guys, bigyan daw ng load pag naka-answer.
I work. She earns.
But there's, like thousands of them who watch. So like, if they all answer correctly, what are you gonna do?
I just said, what are you gonna do?
I said the first one. We'll say the first one who comments.
Nah.
It means, Bob, no, because it means that they are watching the whole video. Ito yung gagawin natin. So kung sino man yung first 5 na maka-answer ng riddle ni Daddy Mike. So makikita naman guys makikita naman natin kung sino talaga yung, I don't know if kayo makikita nyo, but makikita ko kung sino ang nag-comment first. So pasensya na if kung sa sa YouTube nyo makikita nyo na kasama kayo sa first 5 na naka-answer ng tama sa riddle ni Daddy Mike. But tayo, parang live selling ba, seller screen, ganun. So kung sino man yung first 5 na maka-answer ng tama sa riddle ni Daddy Mike, ibibigyan natin ng 50 peso na load. So Pilipinas lang ha. So if ever nasa ibang bansa kayo, sa family niyo na lang sa Pilipinas, just give us the mobile number ng kapamilya, kapuso.
A few moments later.
We are home! Ang ating baby girl ay nasa kanyang playmat. Ayan. Liit ng playmat niya, oh. Malapit na siyang lumabas sa kanyang playmat. Ayan. Kanina pa kami nakauwi. Nanonood siya ng Riva. Tita Riva, na? They're opening gifts. She's watching, oh. Tingnan niyo, oh. So, ito, payak-iyak siya. Pero hindi naman talaga siya iyak to the max. So, ito yung mga nilabhan ni Daddy Mike. And guess what? Kailangan namin bumalik mamaya. Kasi, nilagay niya sa dryer din. But, hindi siya sobrang dry talaga, guys. Yung ginawa kasi ni Daddy Mike, nilagay niya for 36 minutes. Tapos, umalis kami. May pinick up kami na pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And then, pagbalik doon, kasi nga, he didn't realize na iba, kailangan more than 36 minutes kasi tingnan nyo to. Very, shush! Ano ko? Mga, makapal tong mga ito. So, towels, yung blankets. So, we will go back there later. Kisa naman dito namin ihang sa, isampay sa likuran. Bukas, uulan na naman. Kaya, kailangan naming ibalik. So, yeah, that is it. So, later, pick upin namin si Baby Paris. So, before namin pick upin si Paris, we will bring this back to the laundry. Tapos, on our way home, we'll pick it up. So, yan yung plan. Hello, my beautiful Celine. Hello, you've been a good girl. Grabe yung tulog niya sa sasakyan, guys. You know what? ang sa tingin ko talaga ha, she thinks that the night is morning and morning is night. So just put this down a little bit. Kasi, nagigising siya sa nighttime, pero kanina sa sasakyan, sobrang deep ng kanyang tulog. I wish ganyan yung tulog niya sa gabi. Unfortunately not. I'm hoping it will change, anak. Oh, shush. So, nakapag tummy time na kami. Dede, burp. And then, relax for a little bit. And then, tummy time. And then, ayan. Good girl, baby. So, ito yung pinick up namin kanina. So, it's a shoe rack. Used na to siya. From Facebook Marketplace. Bought this one for $15. Ayan. So, kailangan to siya i-assemble. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Kasi naglinis-linis ako kanina sa isang kwarto namin. Yung mga, mga lalagyan ng mga abubots ko doon. Anak. And, kailangan ko ng, shoe rack. Sobrang dami ng shoes namin dito eh. Kaya yan. It's not bad for $15, guys. I think that's worth it naman. Oh, yes, anak. Okay, mama, carry you now. Ang ganda nito, guys. So, kasi pwede mo siyang i-move kahit ano. Bless you! God bless you! Hello, time check tayo. It's now 6 o'clock ng gabi. And, tingnan nyo ang isa. Dito ay tulog na tulog. Binihisan ko siya ulit. Ayan, ang ating big girl. So, pupunta kami, pick upin natin ang ating Ate Paris, guys. Nag-close yung childcare nila at 6:30 at 6 o'clock. Kailangan pa natin siya ipasok sa sasakyan and then go for a drive and pick up Ate Paris. Ito pala yung mga nilabhan namin. Nilabas ko, guys. Hindi naman sila masyadong basa talaga. Parang ano lang. Kailangan lang siguro nila ng mga at least 5 minutes sa dryer. So, nilabas ko sila para hindi sila mangamoy. Kasi normally, di ba, pag basa, tapos na parang nabunot, nangangamoy. And we'll just, I'll just get Daddy to bring it back to the laundry tomorrow. Ayan, kasi anong oras na. Kasi nag-work na kasi si Daddy Mike, guys. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, start niya is mga 3 o'clock. And then nag-break lang siya ngayon kasi we'll go pick up Ate Paris. Ito, wawa naman to siya. Magigising to siya pag nilagay sa sasakyan. Sure, tingnan nyo, super deep ang kanyang tulog. Super deep ang kanyang tulog. At si mami nyo, hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin tulog. Ang aking mata ay hapdos na. But later on, when I bring Paris na naman, Celine to bed, normally around 8 o'clock, for sure makakatulog na rin ako. Pag natulog to siya. Gosh. Anyways, so we'll make a move now, guys. I'll take you with us, and we'll see you at the Paris very soon.
A few moments later.
Hi. No, Joyce. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Quick, quick. Kiss mommy. I love you. I'll get in the car so we can go.
Come on, my sweetheart.
You say hi, baby Celine?
And an ice
Hi,
cream.
baby.
Maybe get some chicken and an ice cream.
Ice cream? Which ice cream?
A special one.
Is the ice cream out the top? No, not a popsicle.
Not a popsicle, ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Ice cream. You love ice cream, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Yes,
how's
I
your
do.
day, Nak?
Paris ate some garlic bread.
Oh, wow. Yum. I love garlic bread.
And I watch a movie like the dog movie.
Yeah, it's such a dog movie.
Do you know the title?
Yeah, she said it before. No, Chen.
What's the name of the movie, honey?
No, it's a hard one to remember.
I just watched it. You can see it too.
Yeah, I would love to watch it with you.
We can watch it at home.
We don't know the title though.
I I like it.
You like it? Alright. Next time you go to school, you ask Chen what's the title, okay?
Okay, parrot. Okay, Celine.
Going. Someone's crying now. So it's okay, baby Celine.
Okay.
Ate Paris, see you now.
Here. My ice cream.